Well, boys, been a minute, but we're back. Got a little package from a friend of mine. It's going to make one of our projects decent. Let me show you what we got going on. There's the old tobacco smuggler right here, boys. Alright, pretty decent. Now all we gotta do is get a box of parts and start slamming this thing back together, and hopefully everything is successful. Okay, I'm going to cut the bands and stuff and get everything sorted out. And look at that there. That's China quality welds. Wow. Some 7-year-old girl did that. Wow. But anyway, I'll bring you back when we got everything all apart here, and probably start a little bit of reassembly. We'll be back. Alright, I got the first component I'm going to work on here. That dirty old girl. We're going to just clean her up. I'm going to try to polish the aluminum. I don't have much faith in that. Clean the nut up and stuff like it. While it's apart, you might as well clean this kind of garbage, right? It's just rusty and dirty. I'm going to use all different types of implements, steel wools, wire wheels, different polishes to get my effect that I'm looking for. I wish I could find my one mandrel, but no, why would I need that, right? But okay, let me get this cleaned up, and I'll show you what our end result will look like, and let's try to remember what we got going on here, boys. Okay, take you right back. Alright, I didn't spend too much time on this. I don't know where my one other polisher is. I don't want to crack out the big one just for this, and besides, I'm not getting paid for it. I'm just helping a friend out. But yeah, hardware looks pretty decent. Stainless up there, a little bit of rusted left in there. Who cares? They look better. Oh, looks nice. I'm going to throw some grease on this and throw it in the frame. It'll be the first part to go back on. Okay, I'll let you take a look when I'm done with that. Alright, a little bit of work on her so far. Nothing too major. Got to put the front end components on next. Shocks. Swing arm. You see why this stuff becomes time consuming though, is like hardware like this. As a hack, you know, struggling goof garage, no, we will clean this hardware up. Like, why would I in good conscience put something all rusty and dirty in there with more grease, make it even dirtier and crustier, or take 10 minutes wire wheel? But there again, right? Wire wheel. 10 minutes. It all starts taking its toll, right? But it looks pretty good so far, I'd say. Okay. I will do a little bit of cleanup on some hardware, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I'm going to take my time with it. I'm not going to rush this. I was going to rush it out, but why bother, right? It's been here long enough. A couple more days is not going to kill anybody. So with that being said, if you want to follow along with the build, subscribe. You get the notification bell and stuff like that. But yeah, so until next time. Oh, let me get a good shot. There we go. Okay. Till next time, follow the China Quad, or the Tobacco Smuggler, or the Poacher Special, whatever we want to call this one near the end. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Scott to Scott in the Struggling Goof Garage.